Investing in a degree at SVSU comes with more than just a 97% job placement rate. It also comes with a full college experience. And we're going all out to make your time here worth it. When it comes to doing college right, it means studying in top programs by day and enjoying the highest ranked dorms in the nation by night. It means an incredible variety of dining options, all within steps of your dorm room. It also means an active student body with over 200 organizations to choose from. And it means finding friendships and making memories that will last a lifetime. It is having the best facilities where you can keep your mind sharp and your body fit. It taps into your competitive side by finding the intramural sport that's right for you or watching your Cardinals compete for glory. It is throwing bags, lip syncs, bike rides, school spirit, unforgettable days, and game nights. Come see for yourself. You're worth it. And it all starts here at SVSU. Enroll today.